Ghana fi say ni intent ene na adwena wo ne Igbo for de te Ghana no e chaos ne beba edachi. Enti Ghana for ese Nigeria for no ye hwe ne ye gya omo kwan if say womo ne ya omo de ye de tiga oman no enye adwene wo Nigeria for tim omo de ye tete no enye papa wiase ba bia no womo ha adwe ese no the only place ye comfortable a omo betimi ni atena ene Ghana fi say countries ahodo nyina Nigeria for aseo tie ebra du say Ghana for will be serious for us to see a bemi near den e Nigeria for so especially as our Igbo for no because their intent enya clear Ghana for no kasa ese say ye kachire musua for nyina no bia no e kache na busua se Igbo for adwene omde wo Ghana enya papa na sa man ya wo say sa Judi ya wo say oye hwan ken hwan no obi abebusa question say ye kasa obi ye kena e kire wo say a lineage anase a throne anase baby a wo maami funu baby free na betimi akire sa kingdom no it is how was wo kingdom no oye no hwan asase so kingdom bay Ghana ni be na witness in coronation now intent ne say watimi penetrate to the Ghanaian system and wo hunu yadwene and so you so proud and no ye catch them say Nigeria for especially Igbo for ni mu Ghana for omo take your kindness as say ye jimi for papa we odidi Ghana for atempa cha omuntie sema omo a criticize no hwe asoma o ka kire wo.
It's not me alone. It's not a new thing for them. Yeah. So if they are insulting their own fathers and their own kings and queens, how much more foreigner? So automatically shows that they are not cultured. It shows that they're out of their mind. Because when you insult your king, that means you are selling the dignity of your nation. So it means that they are out of their mind. What they are saying is a hate speech. So if you can insult a whole overlord of Gadangbe, overlord of Garland, the Gamanche, and all other paramonses in Garland, you are insulting them, telling them what kind of nonsense. How much more me, a foreigner?
Just look at this deranged.
Enti samai ena wono ka kire se Ghana for no em say omo kana asem nyina wa adwene mu yade omo ye uncultured some ka kire se Nigeria for emu Ghana for yatete womo so ama womo fi so womo ye strong womo ye hard e chen ye e bread say Ghana for ye kire womo the way say we don't need them and obia no and preventing Nigeria ni e wo ba bia wugina ya ka kire mo say a individual perspective and a con way enye national con say aban Ghana betimi asore na wono say na da bi individuals na say reject wo ye individuals no citizens na say ye mpa wo mo a now ho na aban betimi make decision and for into aban no so ti asema papa ne ka kire Ghana for because the intent I kura no ohunu say we better than Ghana ni bia eti enye ono nko a eye disa eniema e wo Nigeria for trim a omo new respect e for Ghana for eti omo feel say omo ebeton ade a ye tonti no omo ye smart Cause say omatimi abe business ama ye no yete wo no wo mo ton ne mama yete kire so mo ye smart chen ye. And this is the intent of these Nigerians. Most of them. So person who onu omu di ehia na hu say ensem we na wutie ni enye new say ya no mo dwen.
Looking for one, you buy 50 cars. If you think it's too much, go and buy it yourself. He has the money, he bought it, and he's using it for whatever he wants to use it for. So go to hell and burn to ashes. Sometimes I don't even give a damn about these Ghanaians. From day one, I hate themselves. I don't even know why they even talk about them. This is where they bath. Stinking such where resemble where the devil reject for fire.
You cannot even differentiate them between them and Fulani people.
Dirty people, they come online, they make news. You know, Bibos. I don't know. Fear. I don't know. How you guys reason. Fear supposed catch when I say one person buy 50 hectares of land out of millions of Igbos. Not only one person buy them. Just imagine say the whole Igbos come for now. We go buy Ghana
envy and jealousy will not allow them to allow us
to go buy the whole Ghana commot. So you guys, to me, I see you guys as noise makers. The real Ghanaians, although I've seen some real Ghanaians, the real Ghanaians which are intelligent, but it's so painful that in the so-called country called Ghanaians, most of the people there are illiterates and zombies. Only few are intelligent, which I've seen them online today. They were like kind of saying the facts, not mad people online talking nonsense, saying why should a man buy 50 hectares of land? I don't know how you guys reason. Sometimes I don't know you guys eat from
why
the
would they sell 50 acres of land for the man? Why would they sell 50 acres?
I don't know. They are government.
They are just Neanderthals, very useless people. Why would they sell that kind of amount of land for that man?
Sometimes you guys don't need to give these fools attention. Sometimes.
Okay. These are conversations that Nigeria for differ Ghana for home. And all the time, these are their intentions. But Mamin Konya ni enu apani ba konkasa na Kwame waya jumtuni wato dwumache asilko no fu emi se de waye wa wie mi oba no ntina na Kwame wo line so ho na mi nye na dwemfa ye nuanom Nigeria fo ni wo mo behavior ne de ekos na Kwame na wada ma ho te sei
me hoye bra na wo so wonu watie fo mo ho te sei
obia ho ye wa se ye da so na gwe enkomo a ye die na ase wo bibi ka kire me e de na wo ka kire me
near me walk catch that one is a reason. Oh, I dear back when I is through say a becca and paying PA and quarry. But you are doing a very good job. We were supposed to do this job 13 years ago. Yeah. The truth of the matter is say Yempeng for na Tongana malata for no.
Apeja.
Yeah, but they are not telling us the truth. Maminka, some reason. I'm giving you a secret. I decided one. Some persons are some way comedy man. They control the police. They control the military.
Hey.
Yes.
Wow.
I am telling you that. Me say nyama wohon. And you go to someone started program we won't say I won't Ghana and come and can't send beer apart from Sasemu.
Not just say Nana Kwame also share when one be won't say and yet and what something more than the
reason me share more. Well, there is different from what him. I am giving you information and nobody is giving it to you.
Hey.
And evidence na mede ma me see yempanyimfo na tonye kuro no reason they control the police.
Hey,
they control the military.
Wow.
Tinasidine based on one question say, why is the government quiet?
Wow.
Enra say na metie o na metie say brantie bi by na brantie ne ka say o ebeya nka ya asantefo no ma ye nka bi na we emfa asantefo me ka say bi di akere we ne they even control Kumasi. If you don't know, you don't know.
Really?
Yes. Me say me ma information.
Hey, because they all can and say me nsa ko ka video bia even tamale nyina no papa no ko ho a what to say
what
capture ho nyina tamale nyina
what is 13 years ago and then what anka the youth will rise Share in Ghana wohu. Ade ya so obeka ye no kware hwe our leaders are weak. All they think about is sika. Sika. Hwe me ma example bi. Ye wo ya ye nua be ma ye frɛ no Wandimaya. Wandimaya ko Burkina Faso. And also a person ni Burkina Faso president no koye interview. Oko Burkina Faso and also fi Burkina Faso ba empty-handed. That tell you the mindset of the people in Burkina Faso.
Say Oman Prema Wadamaya ne Burkina Faso
No, it's not allowed. In Christmas, Christmas. Alatafo no to nantwie, to mponchi, to mo, to nyema, no mo de akoma police ni nyina na ye de komo as a Christmas gift. Me say nyema ye nimu no me imagine that ka me nkasa.
Well,
but you are doing a great job.
That's right.
Me ma example. B00t slave trade in the buyer. ASANTE sorry you against the slaves. Omu buyer no na nyasa abrofo no na nkomu ntumi beji kumasi you. But when you are taking over a country, you need to watch a strategic point. The harbor is one, the airport where the sea is very, very important. Intinya say bia di omo ya wakra no nkomu ntumi nyasa nkwase asem no okumasi you. But a strategic plan.
Right.
When you are able to take over this on the Argentina brofo no ba titi mremu no omo be fa Cape Coast.
Now when you say na kwa me no ka say me obi asend video bi amame a even wo call Cape Coast a ba bi o fish no mo yi no China for a develop baby a de amomo asese o mo ankasa ebe ye o fishing wa afena me behwe video ni ye na hwan na de ma
reason me see empanyimfo no atonkuro no reason the American wo enye so obi see o
e good some information but me de anua bi join o na Ashanti Defense Forces omo be a demonstration in Kumasi or line so or security person or line so nti mame man akwa na onti o kakra na wi am yenua tradition aboko de tradition
yeah bro
nice one na yenua na nakwa me a woto nwum asekono for line so onti yewia gina so na yentie ni kakra ne o ma information wi na yetie wo so kakra why.
All right.
Okay. Now Kwame.
Reason.
Ti yenuanum bia keka omo awe Asante Defense Forces omo leader no wa say omo de ekoso yi say de na wo ka say 13 years ago na say ka the young people ye rise omo hyase maminti onti wo say based on information awo no Nigeria for no omo dominate wo kuro no nyasa.
Omo reason there is different from domination and there is different from taking total control. Well, when you are talking about domination, and then the person has said, they've taken total control. Me see the youth, we were supposed to do this 13 years ago. Reason, I am giving you evidence. They control the police and they control the military. Don't let nobody deceive you. Yes, I'm telling you truth.
Really?
They can't quarry actually. Won yempen info na di enimu no. Omama sika adi omo enimu kan. So it is so easy to buy them. You just buy them. So easy. Sir, no atomo. Me say in Christmas time, what they do ne say, omuto nantwie, omuto mo omuto we no mo dey akoma police all the district now they give it to the police people
now,
so for Debbie. Me say me nimni America. Me nimni America so America. Reasons a wonia lateninya problem. Na sa moko police station, police ni doing kanasem. I'm speaking from experience.
Really?
As some me know can be come from experience.
Really? Wow.
They come from something I have witnessed it. Woni omo kwa no man Fred ye no so friend who ohini no. No a friend police commander. What's some near foolish case?
Hey, any say any ye da chenye.
Me say hwe mama ntro bi. Check say Igbo wo Ghana population check say yes saying. Na check Igbo population yes saying. Me ma prophecy.
Womo say womo atimi adube 2 million wo ha e wo ye ha. Womo say 2 million. Me ma
prophecy bi. Mahama o winning election how many votes no they win? 6 million me boy. 6 million. Yes, there is a time coming if the youth now sorry na Yebenya Igbo president wa Ghana prophecy na mdiama.
Okay, nana jina so me ba enipa ya wono ye leader of Ashanti Defense Force wo ye security person e wo country no. Traditional wada ma boko de.
Nyamia dum so na enye some corrections be na me to asum kasaka. Yes, I believe and I trust in your custom harding and in the kikaun. I've been into the service for a while. Na ye kase a chedia make me can't say even mutu aye using organ as police for using an ECG for the brewum. Yoruba for pickups eba Burkina Edibiba. I mean let me in this way. Since I made me back into the service till now, the not even a single time nationwide, not even a single time nationwide. Like you declare say a particular group of people have gifted the service this into Obiani say Ubiamaji say BC that or you will be hierarchy. The hierarchy no will be ekoma womu bibi edi eko pro womu that is fine, that is between womu, but to consider the whole of the service where reason mamika say mu uni nipa obetinya Ghana military obetinya sato Ghana police
hwamwa
o nipa ba ko
hwan
you obetinya to Ghana police obetinya to Ghana police am ban do bia apart from abanya wo check obi bia waka bia no let's do this. Yes, as in now. Se me to Ghana military na Ghana binding me nya adwene a Ghana binding twa Ghana military ka de me pese Ghana military ne nyama me a me se ma to mama mo sika no sa Ghana military commander ne ntumi nkasa wo ye da wa bra ban no ene mi nyo okay it is a ban no mo mu to me e na ban betinya lazy me di mama wuni fa cross e use me no ufre military no ufre police no mpese wo ye say na police ni ka say uye Igbo ni me ye say ma na say Igbo ni fra aban no a na aban ne be ka say IGP TDS wo sorry ni pa no fra no ye ma no ho no na obresa ampa ya tom ti ye to free aban ya wo che kunya so enye obi a waba me ne wo ka say o say Nigeria for minim yako operations Spain yakochi about 300 people yakochi omuni be about 200 in Nigeria for no mo ye kill net. The way we discipline them before say you deport you omodi omu free country ni mko ye eye subanya obi ade ye adwuma ye se na ese for ye am bi na bu na jom na koto forms any fan and yes by na ko frame so mi na ye adwuma obi e kronfa na odinya forms bi to ya na protocol no di police then ipa no opa ma Nigeria ni enchi ni nyaso okunu no onyi sika ma no beja na manako. It doesn't mean say Nigeria ni din kwata sem na say the number say ya there be myself many times that I have an encounter with them I have disciplined these people or more what say do you prosecute baby you get it everyone know say
traditional say no na walk around so one that
traditional
me person me can say and for phone will to me e ya ban na di to me na ma the only thing I was here.
But based on experience, based on experience, say now to Nigeria for traditional security person.
Nigeria for Nigeria for now. I'm not saying a threat to the nation security.
I didn't know who is one threat to national security. No, any peace. No,
I am the National Headquarters Emergency Command Center. Into the whole of Ghana or a babeto yenima yeshe. The cases of robbery babontina say ye the betuon for air auditor. You will see say omoye a nipa 10 the koye robbery na analysis a yetimi yen. We get that 10 now omoye no. Emu 6 a Nigerian, 4 na can emu 2 a nordness, 1 or ya akan known from different places. 1 no akwa ebia ewe. Now, 6 no Nigeria no. Ube emu 5 omoye Igbo. Book about the Yoruba and a Hausa Fulani no can be. It with this analysis, yeah, near the Erika was that answer as a movie. Yeah, can be our office. Yeah, radio Mohad, food or Mohad. Into these people, no, they've gained the roots and Omoyan Kofia, Omutisicano, and then almost at here. Almost at the top politicians are from 2012 on Eba. And the party be an baby, no influence, but baby, Omonia influence no more. A secret na me yamau. They supported makes me a case 60% of NDC campaign this a year koye. And the entire amount of mutimi ba on this time, they were thinking say, 1 more years had the annual we not ban it is for them. And nobody can do anything. I think also more B00t because all these years no made that difficult for them since I don't know obey. But I feel a point one they've influenced. Listen, I'm just like a way about it. Before you command for that. Say your baby be a committee a kabia mumu. Into a mono own friend or crana on J Crampona. They started me say book now on the same day. I want you to the Ghana project. Ghana project, you know. How a woman how on be faso on betting a concan yama or my room. My Ghana project, you know, on what be a counter or more more American countries, you know, or more amount of mutia, or more European amount of mutia. It's our amount, you know. Sadia or Dagana no only based in so dear Sanimanu. I wanted to was a bro.
Because so be a what you want for the business a plot and I had your Matinasia community. I would book or yes. Oh, okay. Tradition now, Unia Memusa, Nakwame. Utian Chiremua officer, you would church me who be different.
Mami me doubt to officer no asema oka. But the me person officer no etias a reason in yasa me pe wasema asema me kan.
Oh yeah, I mean some new pen no.
Because as asema me kan ebe me ankasa as a person make catch be me a lot of program.
But say because of national interest in Tina your person Ghana
me repeating myself with you. Me see we were supposed to do this 13 years ago. We should not stop. And I'm repeating again.
Okay.
They control the police, they control the military, they control the banks, they control everything.
Hey.
And yeah, OBC, Asamna Mikau. There is different from OBSC. And there is a different from what I know. And I make a say, I have experience, meaning America. And you be see, well, Ebia, Nipana see, Sa Nipano see, no, Ebia 1 ye, I know Nimini ye, and now be a kind of
wow say, Nana Kwame say,
me say.
Nana Kwame,
they control. I know what I'm telling you. I it's not about any book. I'm giving you Mrs. Anya one coming casa.
Right, and to me bow Nana. Wonu ya we take the experience of Onyane Ghana no. Wonu wo manya encounter bi wo your system no.
Experience and yeah, there is different from experience. Reason they are reason unim say Ghana say nyame ya wadom no drum pempenso obi a epunu bi no mutumi bi
and yeah send your friend house address so what house address baby wo utimi
okay if there have been a places bi a matna meaning crofo bi atena me person mebubo di na me afa maso
that's right to there I mean
and apart from the afa maso no me say Meaning there is a serious case. Mean person na bobo maybe because yes wami.
Okay.
Where that something is serious, media there is only one phone call and the police commander not to on who so.
Oi.
Yeah, me say yambesi bekasa.
Right.
Oh,
And you be
traditional wa say woman musa traditional enu ntina
intina make us say yen sorry.
Said you waka.
Right.
Said you waka no. Na the entire and I make some police commander na buy if IGP no buy. In the yamu she sense e be you. Na IGP no e dey na ma IGP ni me push say unfair that police commander. The IGP ni yes had no na president a work so at that very time enye only interest to send patrol no sika bi akutua ma IGP ni mu a I tell you MA stay adwuma ye no reason adwuma na ye no uni nipa yesuro nipa adwuma we ye no ye no yesuro politicians e chen ye IGP. I am telling you this for today because obi a police ni onya IGP but owo two me chen IGP. It is happening within because the IGP kasa ofre e hono mo a ye be man the command ama ye code training mami kasa say ye code training na training no okona when you said ye nkrampo na you no matter the qualification the crown e was said you to na wo training no the rank no wo form and so bro mo asema there was a time one ASPB who bully a constable who bully constable that was control more constable no far phone friend one friend that time obi an onya yi of friend just Canadian Japan you na Japan do you believe say since you say ye training ni wie no ye training ni wie no na aspo no on free will be a bureaucracy besne mi anko hanko ye wi na anko ye wi o ye di kopim se free ho so we aspo
musro politicians musro politicians
unim me say repeat Nigeria need to be power with police so that wa bra ban bi nim because Nigeria need no pass
and I say yeah dia wo ka dia ensem yenu a ye pe etese nana Kwame say enkrofo na dominate was systems by ha ba wo kire say e be possible because omo efri soro na eba so omo timi dominate soro dia they can dominate the down there.
Yes wouldn't say yes
me can sembi me pacho me chawa no reason
ye nana
one say me bra can sembi or say there is a phone call be buyer phone call ne buyer afa na nipa no hu wo so okay sa phone call na sem na me ka kire me bra nti na me ka say mean that you know
there's power day somewhere
yes and the problem is say me pacho me go and na me ka say the problem is say because the youth are quiet. Well, it is about say, young fan say, me bra ya me ne ka say. Onim e be a politician all kind. Me person me bo di ochi no be ka say na
to the MOBIA
young fan say onim politician penyin bi o control bibi. Ni ya o ma ko she na chi. Ti o ko she sa ni pa na chi a. Ti say the me bra na ka no. When that phone call comes, everything ceases. And this is the strategy these people are using.
Okay.
No, but the asama me person me brand it here say the youth are quiet.
Okay. Quiet no na one no we security person say what di animu say what share ade asenti mayemusa no na traditional
you will be a friend police service acts and my your kwan cross any side you the mathematics Ninti Ghana for youth, omo wa hefa.
Ghana na bra me ka kire wo no.
Ye to me minia ade ami me de me life na to.
Yes, everyone say wutimi yes ade we because of he said the chronicity pa we no. Why person why owo bi na why say na emi humpo.
When they get hold of me, this will happen. But man, why major? This is what me problem.
It nana Kwame say meba nana Kwame say mabunu na da say who di animu Ashanti Defense Force no di na mo pese yenye saa Igbo fo ne Nigeria no mo se yenye dey.
Oh, yeah we be the command ye ma piece of na ma ye da always interview other radio stations. You see that you say enye Igbo Nigeria must live. Na Nigeria must live no. your route that you for your demonstration. Yeah, your investigation who baby are. Almost so one day baby or my year you're going to go baby. It's a common self that place, you know. And you do route to pay more for people. If I can't say I'm for the Oba, what the old belt
I Nana Uhian Sobi and Nana Uhian Sobi.
Oh, sorry, Raymond.
You after hand.
Letters.
Yo, traditional Yanko. What's a ham? Mobile day.
I'm always Oba. And will be beside the also the bebo. Because reason and you're going to put it for this demonstration. Because one who denied on your quite padlocks. Say the deal see a book at once you go going to try an antius.
Okay.
They would see a 2 more between. Now the petition a command landlord say wokumasi. I can't tell you. Near Nigeria meeting fee. I want to look before and after 19 for no. Say or that's for the chance if you no swap pa. From
19th what? What's it 19th July? Yeah, 19th July.
19th July, yeah.
Asante Defense Forces. Took Kumasi Mountains. So say Nigeria need be unpacking anyone on because they are okay.
That is it. Yani Avosa Asante Security Asante Volunteer Security Association. The same people, but the Asante Defense Force, a tax force, automatically will be involved.
Okay.
Jomono registered with their ID card and illegal.
Okay.
Into Omono Asante Force no, and the Asante Volunteer Security Association here, a police information so therefore Asante for, and the DNA. It's Jumajina you could in Nigeria phobia who believe you be any news to be to say a failure and palm home group because a good you could be. It's go from traffic. Here the aqua still the Chamso Plaza.
Okay.
If the Chamso Plaza near Chief Dr. Mensa.
Okay.
If Dr. Mensa could a doom across the house or move you back on so the quack say when you are after you call as a golden home touch, baby, your master Cogeno. You won't be a as the original minister or the petition command. Okay. Original minister one money address number airport. I could Kenya say on my last year of I could say also be doing a few. Right. Say or more pamu for actually Bema. The Ghana youth nan come sorry, the Kenya on the same uncle. You'll be a baby on finding more be a person on ye. More
Bema on what Bema. Now, Mammy Missa, where no Ebane say ya notify police say mobile yes a peaceful walk demonstration.
Yes, supposed to be done because before so any special event biano, there was a woman police assault. Okay. Now, Obama police assault. Yes, this before that, and then I was saying Yadeko and be binti, but ever command day. Okay. Command day, and then she said, so pepe on that Saturday. The police is share. Now say, I know, ye fasten the problem, beba. Police the letter, beba. I catch the SB. I am from Fassi and I intuit that say. The police and Bibia say, and then no just a BB a costume. The police the air no would we still find say we be demonstration emum so hena embo court na wode ko ema court to the injunction to the chrono to me enye this is very it is almost support to omo abema na police the men na ba be boa say omo boa na dwumadi a wodi nso no enye pepepe yo enti ni say emu de ye di be ko Monday de e be ko submit ama bibia ready na emum yegusu a ye bo hu de wo se nipa be tinka no mu nyina be bia be free be bibia be ba be join this idea ayama Ghana for this course. Right. So
yen nuanom and run almost as ye me kan wan say na manfo frame me say kwan be no be fa so won betimi get in contact with you na o ma support na yen nuanom bebre etimi a join aba obi fra bi kra no onya ka ska kra manfo so won mo boa na mrante ne maba wa ebeboa Asante Defense Force na wo mo ye sa protect say Nigeria for ade no mo ye no say ye ni anya den ebe ha ye nyina ye won bibi e betimi afa kwan so a manfo betimi no wakasa na
in the chain say so be offer more information a number or meet media amount. Okay. And now your mobile money number one more money Ghana and some person supporting us no. Okay. Contributions cost one bit na it may be a person. Okay.
And for number first of all momo number near say MTN momo number near say
MTN momo number no now me no di din komo se here.
Keka no munti. Bobo no munti. Bobo.
548 0540409
0548
84
04 09 Edin a woso ye de edin a
Kevin Prince Boateng
edin a woso ye Kevin Prince Boateng Yen Yan man ran a mo se mo pe ne number no womo number no de ato dwane why. Mrs. Ubi 0548840409. MTM mo number. Sa na obi person was afrɛ mu information and mama information and so number be.
And no yeah 025 if I show me back.
Okay. Eti yen nuanom share so my comment section better first detail am betim de ato wa ma me why.
0256 11 84 18.
Eti we ye number mo pesa wo pe obi a wo pesa ofre wo mo information e kire ba bia Nigeria fo bi kura a hide fre 0256 11 84 18 0256 11 84 18 we nyina ye collective responsibility ye nyina Nigeria for must go ebra na so wo mo character ntine ye kan wa say nyo mo nipa dua ntia e na afei wa mo ana mo so mo pesa mo bua support wo mo no mo de mo number na ba 0548
reason I mean for we into us na nipa nye away let's the Ghana for say ma minyane kano e wo musa de na emumu nu enye no kreda say Ghana police and Ghana soldier wako akoswe se wo be som oman no odi ne hu besi wo say Nigeria ni metwi fa ni niaso e manenko da bi da na me kan say e suban
nti we na na kwa me kan bi na tesa na say ebi enyo mu nyina na tesa sa na pese ye kan na enyo mu nyina na tesa
mu ba no e na tichire mu no e suban obi ni suban a odi abewura adwuma mu no no odi akwa akoye bibia akoye sika bi afeva obi so ho na emu mu no de esitie for general as a police no e Ghana na yesum no na Ghana na yesum no yesum any most citizens into na oba Ghana you need police force you police service you serve o man it is o ko hunu se police ni bia yes ade no se waje sika mesre enye se obi ato police na obi e wotumi bi wo yeso maka chem se de wo wotumi wo ye police ne so no e aban government because sana ye mra no e kire yen wono na be appoint IGP obe kire no se ade we security threat ade we say so wono na anya sa iboni intimi direct no eni e bia na politician bi na she kire ti mesre se sa we no scenario ni a ye hwe ni ye nua no bi wo mu sa de ye nia yan krofo bi da bi o mogi dimbone di ma yen ekan ye niema bi ense fata enu kan sa wo moye nti ye ba na sa no a enye service no na edi se adwuma na mu nipa no na eno na se mpanimfo ko hu se nipa na ye sa de no a emboa enu nti na ya na yetimi interdictive bi di bifa kwan bi so disciplinary committee ema wo mo se free ho na wa se tan so a ye tuni bi anso so de wa we ni self nti me se sa asem no ya ye ye se bu Ghana no ana no de intimi Ghana ne ma enkofa abonten so fo na obi ye san so enkyere se ye nyina na ye di sa ade na ki ye sa ade na mesre sa kwan no
right tradition ye be da se nti we no ye bobo hu dawura akosi se dan na ye nuanom a maburu ne mnante de maba wani nyina ne do mo ho age sa ade ofisa important but gina so ma me na me busa nana kwa me wo nana wo
me wa abra
nana nti uti ya unuan se de na wo kasa nka de a se ka maburu ye nei wo di animu or risk ne job kra de animu nana de na wo ka fa ho
meka se wayade nyankopon onhyira no but de meka ye no na wo se ye saade we 13 years ago me ka kire me bra no me ka kire ni se enye obi minim ni America
no correct
and there is different from obi say I'm repeating myself they control the police. They control the military. Minim near America. And they control the banks.
Eno na man ye hu se yan hyasia. Eno na man ye hu se ye ni anya dia ye sa ne man ebe hadwen wo hu.
Reason, yen bi say ye hu one question say. When they do their transactions from whatever country na me brand, how were they able to get the money from the bank?
Ayasemo.
The minimum mean to mean kawaha.
Right.
The problem.
Right. And as I say, you see Ghana. So when you once or dog Ghana, and as I say, you expose my Ghana for no. E who no send crop for no. You might say no more didn't want mine.
Anything I make us say. And yet obi say there is different from obi say one thing ye when who ye die yenim die yeni tuemu ne yatna mu bi e ho asem na meka wa hawo.
Okay. Eti based on said ye wo omo se wo ka say de wunimi de yenuanom e ba be yi ebetimi a fight bi na ebi nso ya ye bibi ato aso ana wo bibi a say ya ana.
One say we need to create awareness.
Okay.
Where the nation youth have to realize say the country Ghana belongs to them. Most of the youth now they don't even understand the reason why they have to sacrifice for Ghana.
Okay.
Ultimately, we don't understand. One say when you talk about sacrifice, when you talk about say the reason we know how the white or not crony or modiano. They don't
okay. You na kwa me wadama with Mr. Traditional now say.
Yeah, me person me koye another way.
Adwuma yo enti ene oni ka bibi na jatie fo kwa na yenya kwan.
Ka jatie fo no say me sre Ghana fo. Dominion aja fo wo Ghana, migration for, fire service for, customs for, police for. Munyi nara minim say dani be dru ho no ebi be kwa adwuma bi nkwa adwuma. Wa wo nkwa adwuma bi ya no. Wunya nhye uniform no, o ye citizen say ye ne ya.
No kore.
Ye nyina kamom na yentumi nya adewe ye de age Ghana no na asiwo eye demonstration ni protest wo ho eye ade bi say eye another form of communication ya ni pantiase wo de kasa o na wo de kasa kire obi susu a wotie wa na wo hwe ye nyina ye kamom na se oman ni hu sampa yutumi nyina ka bom apa tini koda one na Saturday no wo off we security personnel na wo offer enye wo uniform na wo de ba baye ama wako akwati amra nemum wo she uniform no wo ye citizen wo ye oman ba enti wo so timbe di akire ne boa e bia wo mo a wo she uniform a police be ma kwan so mo mebo ho ban no they are there but wo na wan kwa aduma na wo she uniform no ye sre be boa na yentumi nkasa yentumi nye na Ghana ni nyina ehu sam youth nani abre ye bia nanka ye ya ade emwa youth na kasa moma ye njai na Nigeria fo ehunu se ade we ya ne ni se nkomo mre da bi akofo no mo nya mre enye ye njai sa adwumadi na kidnapping ni na yida ni pakum ni sa ye ma boni ni a o man Ghana ni je nanka wonum ye ade asa wabebu punani ade asa wahwuma firi wonsem ma be wia nti nanka eye stealing but robbery say ye mbo to pay ye nku die you say in Nigeria for the this adwuma no it's me to ade we asia ya sumdwe ni mpokurampo no e be san ye kese mo ama ranking ni baby ye da no e betumi san akoya ni na se yentumi ntu ase emphasize etrim say mbe bi ba ye man na no e be kukun bi ayen e na ye prepare sa akona to e bi ama wo mo
traditional
obi am
ye da say
19 July
19 July fantastic ti traditional yeda se pa why eti bibia na mesa na wakasa bi wo eda foforo so why nsa na eduru ho why me da se pa traditional okay wait me see am ai na kwa me
reason
enti yenuanum se mnante ne maba we share crusade we yase now based on the wunimi after we no ususu se bibi foforo obetimi ate ho akere ya ye betimi abɔ ho dawuru ma ye betimi atata nkrofo bi se we na mo ye a eno so betimi aba be kan do mo ye ho ana.
Reason say asem no makani nyina mo no kra wa ba be kani because oka tembi say utie na o say ya papa ya die nyina his excellency former president yiruye sika omude call ye onu no kan yo okay nti omude sika no call ye no omude call ye die sabi Ghana this year na ewu alateninka wudi sika akosi ye mfanya den
because ya mamre mu de ene enso ano ase ye friend enso ano anti omo so ano mo bo na se ewase bibi omo di e o sika bia wase
ewase oho na me person na me twi me bra na yes no ultimately way no they just don't do anything for that for free sao
no ya dream
they do everything for a purpose. Ultimately, reason Martina meeting more Nisi Kakasia pa fi America eba. na be see bank emma san krofo we ni mu bi call bank manager penyin ni fie emma ye tumi yi sika no ye listen niam ye ni bien tumi nkan wo we ni so
me de enya nwa se Ghana no de obi ene se ye hwe yi police wo gino pa ne ye boma nyina o nka ti Ghana ne de bibia e possible se ekuro ne de bibia e possible ntimi we mi ntimi nyi ho achi nyimum
yeah reason isn't a make say on se me ne ka me ka kire ni say I'm privileged to assembly a see ye na assembly ye serious pa na phone call baako aba na ya latani asem na police commander no ema asem no ye nkwase asem
enya nwanwa sade ye no sese no obia afoforo na bia no se ye pesikenti no ye ne ye mpanimfo nyina ye ise se ye disikato ye ende enya nwanwa se se nanu asem ba ye se nye ye nkoda ekura ne ye som gidigidi wo internet so asan kan nanu e won enkran ne prampram ko mo falete bia ma abonten en sori ma mo bumfu se no nkoma ye din o nti ende enya nwanwa
enra na me tie we bia ewo I don't know so wona wo bo say was on the internet one of the bloggers so na ebo ye mpanyimfo no be ka kire so mo nton asase bia
ai sa no mo ka kire
but ye nye obi a waba wakasa asase no minim be bia wo mo ato ampa Inti, sit down quietly and ask yourself, say, who are we fooling? Who are we deceiving?
The future, we are fooling the future.
What's say as I see you? Ama ye nyo bi o wa ban mu kura penya ba be ka say, oh, ma hwehwe minim penyifo no asase bia ni ba bia. Ma ye nyo bi o no so fie abusuam ba ka say, ah, di asem na mo kan. Asase na ha de da.
Ghana ye interesting country.
The problem ne say because idea we are more ya no yanye kono ko take bibi akonoba wa wunu akonoba yeah akonoba start idea way if my memory serves me right it's about 6-7 years ago
yeah what shall say kan ho
and yan taneti yes yan taneti if you are na to share so say ni page ni nya intina make a tell me brother say you don't know what I know you don't know the information I hear
na kwa me say no we mu no say country bia no wo mu din se hu ana wo ni abre wo hwa wo say wo ma ya dwene a de pa na yenye mpanimfo no mo so nye wo ma na de ne yemfa nye wo
ye mpanyimfo no won ye mpanyimfo no suro youth no but the mpanyimfo na realize say the youth na da me repeat you ye mpanyimfo no mo ti ona wo hu omo no mo ye we no fanya ban panyi o de me kan no kwara omo suro the youth but o man realize say the youth na da me pese me no eye we bi na wo ti ase so omo kwato election de omo to aberekuma ya omo kun mpanyimfo no wo ba ko bi so gina ho ko na youth no ye de omo ko eye youth no so they know what the youth can do ultimately but because there are no industries in Nyama where you kuro Ghana there are no jobs in Nyama nintino ye mpanyimfo na dani most of the youth no into their bodyguards.
Okay.
And asofo no so afa half their bodyguards.
Okay.
And obi ono so wo sika no so afa half no no so their ono so the bodyguards. The rest no egu street ni so no mo bo bibi yes ye friend red.
Red for no.
And afa for no so ye de omo pe. Me twi wadwin me remember me fa wadwin ko bibi so. Ala tani baako. Etumi yes estate bi wo airport na say ye nche you etumi block the whole estate in the street yes all more being called no more being back onya atumi ni wahi
in fact sika won ho ntia
won asem na me kana na me bra no on tia se no won se ntina me ka se me podwa asem na ani na me de kire no onya atumi ni wahi say be reason ye nyina yeti abrochire reason we are sure say young fan say uti Bronx and uti Brooklyn and now be uti young fan say Virginia estate who reason we see because who was ikentino ube to me abe blocking estate in the door say one penny more being cope now one penny more be
who born dog walk of far and they say walk of far who born dog.
Okay, ana ala takra no ye betumi akoye saade ni bi wo wa.
Dabi. Ba say wo hwe nipa no a I mean omo be kan history kire wono kro timi airport no ye bie VIP man no na mu ko say nipa no I mean we a very strong person wo country nim.
Okay, inti me can some na me bra no doubt. How are you doubting?
One doubt. Maintenance also ono your service person to one there's no way say at least obey defended by
protect
and we are civilian to the any civilian come or any civilian.
Me who say protect service no. But we don't have to do that anymore because the where the country is going on
no say ye ni betimi aka ono do ntimi nka o de wo ntina ye na wo betimi aka wo ye ni betimi aka
reason ye mpanyimfo no and we say when the youth arise the change the youth are demanding will come. But the youth no arise yet. The arise now youth no arise and you are rising into NDC MPP. Finish.
I mean, omo manage youth no kakra.
That is that it's all about NDC MPP. Ni arise we are ni akwatena se. Ni anya dokunu bi ni nchina mu bi ni as insabi twimikeke ni we ni awi ni apay baby ni atena ni adwen ye.
Nana kwa me asema okay, no say man bi frem no so ye sikani wa akra wo say oh, who say I'm a Thai video tata na minya na nkofo ne de o ma dominate wo mo wo sika wo mo ye big men wo Ghana nti ye mo mo settle na wo mo ye ntimi enhu wo mo control wo mo ho na me cheche ne we de ne wura de ye kan ansa no wo te say oh sa anti na say da che mo benya problem but on de no hu ni normal o ye pani ye sika ne ba say won hu ni say wo mo ye big man fo mo ye sika fo won kana ho and they control and as a bibia mu o mo wo mu bi nti o ma dominate o ma do so ye timi nya wo we sa na no ono na dwen no.
It was a reason me can send me the chair me my prophecy. Me say, but the same Mahama we need a election, no? Or we need with 6 million votes. His Excellency, yeah, Papa, His Excellency, Mahama. There is something we are not sit down and calculate properly. Me say there is a year coming. If we don't arise today, we will have a Nigerian or Igbo president. And we could Ghana na you woman.
And then one more because some man no workers and also one day we will have a Nigerian Igbo president in Nigeria. It might be say a vice versa, and a vice versa.
Okay, or can be bitwas, or can be bitwas. Or says our president no mubenya some time to come no be baba visit Ghana. Now oba sa palace no person si no ho no be baba beda.
Yeah.
It is obi bu be or ka abebebu sama. Won't see as a man nipa can want to see a year.
Your crop for fun normal. Oh, where the work I money ever 2 months, or my fun normal. Oh, no. Obi to say, I acquire friend say, I acquire T Angela for me catch they say, oh, your mom 50 years, if on vanish, and I'm not quite a friend of Sadiq Adam. Hey, now when you know the media, so say, your mom 50 years on vanish. Now, end 50 years, come or multiply to 2 million Igbos. Enya Nigeria for now only Igbos unquire 2 million. Now Sadiq Adams because just oh man we dey within 50 years on vanish and akwa we are born.
Mami bisa wa.
Akwa born.
Mami bisa wa se. Me there once me tell you pa because me who say we deep thinker. Okay. Reason why is that they are not talking about it, but rather talking against it? Why?
Because most of them are benefiting from Womo. Nigeria for no most media as a union now sponsor.
Reason when I walk out with the manuals.
And they say music industry in Nigeria for a sponsor. Ghana organization Nigeria for a sponsor.
Mami ma bomb. Sana yati Ghana won. Ana yenya sabi alateni efi ni krum alata ebae. Obae no so obeboa ye music industry no ama na grow. Nti obewari Ghana ni ba
strategy.
And now party say oye bibi e friend Ghana Music Awards. Okay. reason mami mfa no si yes I make
ana na we de wudwane sa chata house nya Ghana ni dia chata house nya ye dia enya ye dia na we de wo na sa wo no wato nwom award no kura chata house so menye so mo bi kura da enso wo nwom
maji bebre wo mo ho but when I started fighting them to say that we are more here and then they decided yes, we will kill your career. How were they able to come after me? They use our own people.
The same media, the same DJs.
Ultimately, whilst I was fighting, because whilst I was fighting them, say no, at the end of the way, at the end of the corner, and you're right too, because reason me my example. Yakofa sabi alatafo ye nuanom yakofa alatani musician fi ni kromo di ba ye kromo a no etima ya yeti ye kromo then I was like no idea we am grofo we catch them in it doesn't make sense so we need to rise up because won to me fi wo kromo ma now wo me kan kire me say me am ti me kro Ghana mu no wo ma me rules and regulations I have to follow I'm not going to do that.
And one more trick is about say, oh yeah, Obaya, others or your ban or worry, I'm a gun and Ibema, or your Bema son or worry gun and Iba. Now for agenda no etwaso, not the way.
Okay, so or worry gun and Ibem, no worry gun and Iba. Aqualana ya won so benin.
One where you gun and straight away over
Onyindru and Pempens will be. So to me stand the presidential okay. So to me stand the money year. Me patro yanya calculation we you. And now kwala ni no. Omo ye 2 million dada. In the time akwala ni be ni no mo ye normal saying. No money yes.
No ye got 10 million kra, ni ye got 10 million.
Okay. Now and the president we need with 6 million.
Now they can choose a leader. They can choose.
Okay, almost perform more presidential.
Now we deep. Now we deep. Now say the next 10 years, I choose a leader in the country. Now we deep. We deep.
So you're deeper. You will never understand as a man in the world.
Yeah.
Ultimately, so you're deeper. Obe want to say, oh, are you normal? Oh, are you okay? Oh, are you doing? That is the reason why in Tia, a country like America, a country like UK, and other things anyway, they don't allow other citizens to baby background or be a citizen of their country. There are certain places they will not allow you to go.
That's it. So many close
because they know the consequences. A woman. But yeah, ya fa ye baby won when yeah there na that the problem be brain.
We can see we don't foresee the future. No, yeah.
Reason you so nyankopon. Oh nyaminti. Oh yeah nyankopon we. Oh anyaki. Nyame ya we na ya calculation.
Hey, you was a word put na me. You was a word.
Udi ma dia nyankopon na chiwade. Obi aweji.
And yes, so Omo Kakura said, was I a DBA with man said?
Yes, let's see what Jesus Christ is buying. Reason. Onyani Obia will be an near from an anyone. Obia will Buddha from a man, sorry. Obio Yari or Sayari Bibri. A dear back when Jesus Christ sent to me and saw Koye Jimmy.
Nana Medasi, Nana,
oh, yes,
yeah,
much reason.
Nana, that's why. Nana come Medasi. We a legend Medasi. You have a view. I was therefore. You know, what the voice said the pa was a woman, but the voice said, I so corner for me so sad, dear, why ye? Where me, but what I mean, I thought I would tell me pa. And some more come, baby, and crepe, because said or more castle more doors. And yes, Papa no so can was in Nigeria 4 doors, Jack, and Crawford doors were Ghana. Mr. No, penny movie frame. We is can you cry? It is was saying Crawford yard doors where we. Almost have war. I see, baby cry, Tamo baby, a baby in Lagos town, but be advantage areas in our Mujio. May I pretend you? One more J. Almost your business, come on, some, tear the air cannon. Eti, and you mark a sack, hey, your musicians or your gagan and do Nigeria for the one's own. A music industry award on Muyan and your dear. And your dear. And Yano, Obit Sadiq Adams women, what I tell you, my mistake. Wo de tie na analysis and for course. Wo de tie. We obi otimi Ghana ni o. Tie asem wo ka kire wo. We wo de tie ase na wa wo wi agye no.
Mo 50 years. Brahma antimi establish Hausa kingdom and Yoruba kingdom or Ghana, Igbo kingdom. Man 50 years. They will vanish in the system.
But where ye ensantroni o. We ensantroni o. Wo de tie ni bi. We ensantroni a wote microphone chairs wo defend Ghana. I say we quantitative analysis still. As a broadcaster biano, usua quantitative analysis and then qualitative analysis. Now, we walk out will say, Brian went to me establish Hausa City. So Igbo phone to me as Ghana, you a big challenge with this media.
More 50 years. Brian and to me establish Hausa kingdom and Yoruba kingdom or Ghana, Igbo kingdom. Man 50 years. They will vanish in the system. Because one, your near ema obinya recognition or memu man for eyamu your legislative recognition and your judicial recognition. Legislative ni emra Ghana ya hihye ana your constitutional recognition say obi abetna hayema ne tumi wo ye ken. Your constitution enye omontum nti article 7276 who is a chief Ghana constitution and tracking one dini pass who is a chief at the tail end and say be or ye valid
we see me energy one yeah on say we refer academical fraud, intellectual dishonesty, with all due respect to Sadiq Adams. Onim say enipa monne ye mo geographical and as a jurisdiction and ye di make ye laws. It is the hotel church. It is one constitutional amendment. One matter ye free amendment. The reason why and I say the intent and I said the entire ye work constitutional amendment and I would matter. We was what church say. So 1992 yes 1992 constitution but so and one that's what is here. Only how many amendments are your constitution man? We as say. Look at these people. And these are the people they claim to be intelligent. Yeah, catcher say, "Well, be bet me at Abagana and when you're citizen. The next 10 years, we're a citizen. Or bet me make a decision. Or bet me about the area. Now they set up a family and they will bring a decision and they can fight and the constitution can change. Who are these people? Eti, ya no mashada na say, intellectual dishonesty. Says Papa ne ba Ghana no onye Ghana ni 1995 no onye Ghana ni 2025 we're a citizen of this country. Now ne ma a citizen to say wa. So the next 30 years no oma wo bebre oma build a family omo se ye family ni Ghana mra no so say sabusuya bi se omo hini ni a obi antimi challenge wo mo tie de ye ka no. So what is this ken no? I mean I'm tired of these people oh. Hwe wo mo dada Ghana for no tie amunye study sankofo na ahye suit titi microphone most of them Jack what test on IQ level they are deceiving the people. Tie de ye ka no. And you see to show a critical thinking of something. I bet me who that chain. Setesi Ghana mra say abusuya bi say we na ye hene obi antimi kan we. Now ye hwe abusuya ne size ne kase obetimi be paramount chief untimi nya hwe. Untimi nya hwe. So the next 20 years constitution kura na wo ka say legislative instrument ne executive instrument no nipa na ye and the jurisdiction the jurisdictions na ye yes sanu nti nipa ne say when ye pay now they push it to parliament they lobby in parliament and then they change it and then was what church then we mo ye phone line ma bre me nka ma asem bio Ghana for ye ya asem ye phone line na ye tie wo so adwene 0242073114 yemi phone line no quite interesting and enipa bi nti we assess nti ye bebre pa yemi phone line na hello yes sir general what I say what am me nti o
Hoye
me hoye pa so hoye
me hoye
ye kajagum ne yanko
reason asomwa ye kai umi hoye. Okay.
Ethiopia.
When you say Ghana ni be a bufu. Ghana ni be agitated. But mumi emblem mu.
Gani Panwa, Pepe, or ye Ghana near enough, and I say, or the Kim. Or Bobushi Ghana, Mummy Blemus any part. Ye institutions are a weak. And I was here, near strengthened, near former a country. Well, na the ordinary person, a bufu, na a fee, bufu, and a contrasto, now, Papa, the body kind of racist and tribalistic in their free home. Reason, Papa, Wabet Ghana, Wabe what a Ghana need, than my Ghana for. One one that's why Ghana need. Why you Igbo and a man from Pana, now will begin to so you Igbo to Ghana any money. Not a man for Ghana. Obi bet my Igbo ni I Ghana any money. Obi a friend is saying Lebanese I Ghana any money. It's all possible because your ethnic origin, and I say you ethnicity, and citizenship, and you are the crew. When you say ASANTE, you are ASANTE. When you Ghana, you are very possible. Anamba, you were Korea when you Ghana. At the same time, you were Chinese with my Ghana name, because the two are different. Political definition of a citizen and ethnic origin. Ethnic origin is a natural thing. And the friend is saying your nationality is so. A political definition. Eti, Papa no, wakase, na koto land kesiye, yemra makwai magana ni timito land wagana. Tiye wamra etia saade nwa. Anansi siye nimra etia saade nwa, mwenye shimi emra nibi. Tuohu, mabato land kesiye wagana. One person land, do saying it timito money ye. The me, timito land 50 acres. Obi wagana nibi also so timito land 50 acres.
Openi.
Me too.
Mibusao. Also, what country be ya?
Me United Kingdom.
Okay.
Yeah, no, normally, me first country there because amount for people will come and lambast.
Oh no. I mean,
yeah,
don't worry. Once in the public space in the air, once you pass watch don't care, don't pay attention to a moment criticize.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I feel me too. Yeah, me too.
So UK. Obi a ye dual citizen and obi a ye citizen difference in the there.
Now, what's here Ghana constitution, Ghana law, here UK law. Now Ghana law and UK law quite similar.
Yeah.
Now you need to be a dual citizen.
Hold it.
You were a citizen of the United Kingdom, never.
No.
You were a citizen of the United Kingdom.
No. That's
any pakron one kasa so.
No.
Any pakron one kasa so. Which a citizen of another country.
That's right. So now, afi, a UK,
It is possible, yeah.
Fantastic. Okay, so now,
but so we are citizen of we are citizen of United Kingdom. Now say a citizen of another country. The United Kingdom, who as a citizen of UK.
No.
The other country no a citizen.
Open it, man, confuse me. Say we are as a citizen, a different in UK administrative purposes than obi oye dual citizen. A difference.
No, any different.
Okay.
No, any different.
Okay, yeah.
Ghana, Supreme Court ruling in Ghana.
Oh, W for Ghana sinche. But UK, modiano, yeah, had the friend federal system. UK, in America, minimum hodi and said it. Say we are dual citizen in America. No federal job, and I'll bet me I be. Utiminye.
The TNS in
UK.
Many different countries.
In UK,
many different countries.
In UK, obi a dual citizen. Obetimia aye federal job mwana.
Any work.
No. You can never hold any
state. Now, you British citizens are Pakistani origin, okay? Pakistani citizens as well. Are member of Parliament of the United Kingdom.
Meba. omo ye dual citizen as omo ye a citizen of that country and omo ye dual citizen.
Yeni bibi to say dual citizen are all limitations by law.
There's a limitation. There's a limitations. Once you get full citizen, there's a limitation.
Mama example bebre. Never idea. One question kwatin. One question kwatin. Ne mama ne papa free Ghana. Okay? Now, the virtue said mama ne papa free Ghana no. It just say ukimiye Ghana ni mani.
So meba ohodu a dual citizenship ana.
No, you need na make say.
Opening yankasa
you need legal limitations.
There's a legal limitation on you. There's a limitation on you as a citizen.
Now, me former prime minister, near friend. What they say?
Me person young Clay. Akwasi kwate no. Wo hold Ghanaian passport and Ghanaian identity ana.
He can apply for one if he wants to.
No. Today he works in the government. Hold Ghana identity ana.
One private matter.
Private matter. This is a matter of documentation. A matter of documentation. So let us not confuse the system. Say, let us go straight to the point. So we are dual citizen. You can never hold any sensitive position in any country.
Okay. That is the view. That is the perception.
It is not a perception. This is reality. This is not a perception.
Ghana Supreme Court ruling.
Ghana Supreme Court say.
Yes. Now, President Kofor time no. Okay, something was introduced and your friend dual citizen. I can't so make card or may say Obekaya. Supreme Court to release say to be a Ghanaian or a Ghanaian.
It is not true. It is not true. Adamu Sakende Eko jail. It's not true. Adamu Sakende went to prison because of dual citizenship.
Now, Yamrani say, take certain positions.
That's right.
You cannot be a citizen of another country.
Okay.
And then a man demus can go prison.
Okay.
So
it is.
The fact to say.
Now, Papa no.
Now, certain. Now, you find a money example.
Meba. Anya ne masem ne yeka wo no na asem ne yeka infa ne man masa. Now, I clear say meba. Papa no based on no akasa say we Nigerian. Meba. Papa no say we Nigerian.
Meba onu as a person no. Wo dey tell me meba. Onu as a person no. Only hold the political post to Ghana, for example, ministerial post and a member of parliament.
That's right.
Professor, yes, sir. This or apply, okay, or apply to Nigeria High Commission now or ditching a Nigerian citizenship out.
So
and sana
now yamra baby and the position ni papa ni position say we Nigerian ni and we Ghana ni ti de yeka no ono ne nyame na me ko no yeka o se we Nigerian no ye Ghana ni now so person we integrate to Ghana your system no a your friend no Chieftaincy Act no mo a ese wabusua ewo eye nyabotre opani nyabotre ene wo dwene ne ya ye dwene the next 30 years intia the next 30 to 40 years so enipa no ontimi mewura yabusua no ye ni abusua bia wo Ghana eye recognized under the Constitution and Chieftaincy Act na ye friend ebofo ye ni bibia sa
no ontimi nya ohene mane ye Ghana mane ye
wo dia tobo ontimi nya hene se baby papa ni state ni wo no wo say or build a kingdom, a village in Ghana, a kingdom. But you can say kingdom kingdom
okay. Now you can say kingdom and now hinia and now a kingship and now chieftaincy recognized by law. So what would the name recognized by law? No?
Okay.
What would the name recognized by law? No? A matter of hearsay.
Oh no. Or illegal activity and that's illegal activity.
Say, I'm because I'm in Kwasiafo Hene, I was Santi Newtown. Do I go to prison for that?
No. I mean,
no, maybe
this example way another here no day. Papa say,
okay.
Kingdom in Ghana.
And I make say, so who say now kingdom. any chieftains in the Adina. As a matter defined by law within Ghana.
And I'm saying,
one free.
Constitutional amendment, would you constitutional amendment, would you would you say
future amendments are now say
constitutional amendment, would you say it means a constitution?
Oh, yeah, of course.
Okay.
Of course, yeah.
This constitution.
Society in Nigeria say BBC okay. Society in Nigeria say BBC and a majority of society say BBC.
Okay.
We push it there.
Okay. So the next 20 years, predict say papa we build a society. We build a society. Predict. So waka say almost society no we kuta numbers. No waka say ebesa obemi asa constitution ebe possible na possible.
Ono ka so obemi asesa. Ono ka so obemi asesa. No. Je ka say ebesa yes. Ono say you part of it.
Yeah. So possible so with me yes or possible.
No. Reason radio. Let me tell you. Okay. Can who say yeah Ghana you no from various tribes kinships one administrative regions I never come here Ghana. I think many years. It keeps changing all the time. Many years ago, now and you will be a day, and you will be a debate. Change idea. It can be initiative. Good. Obey my initiative. Obey me initiative change.
So
anybody
why are you arguing? Why are you arguing? Say my intentions is to bring something else way. I didn't hear.
Me can't say as what me can say. Reason eba changer me as a person who as a person. You know different aspirations. We make my initiative a change. Say you know it becomes a change. Even though no initiative at the same time, so Miss Mate made initiative a change which you don't like. Oh, me never be the organ I don't like. Never be the organ I don't like, but meet me way because the majority has accepted as I know open. And that here. So me come in kono. Na your friend is here come home my friend Ghana the other. Come in peneso. Unimsa. Me sure to Ukraine was aspiration. Me come in peneso. But majority I have to live and abide by it. Meet me young way.
Okay.
Papa or aspiration. Now aspiration no any say fanciful we're building a fanciful kingdom with the and what then now. But we all have our fantasies.
Last question. Who say papa na build a fanciful aspiration who need by any reality on? No, me can't say a reality and any reality. But me prosecutor be hold it. No.
Prosecutor be based on fantasy.
No. We live in we are here a year open. You live in open world. Things are unim. So don't say unim say papa no reality. Don't tell me say yeah ni trim can say ebi am nim dia wo ye. Don't argue.
No.
So you don't know what the man is doing. That's all.
No. Me say. So me say minya enka Ghana enka ibeka back to your coast.
Okay.
I can express it. Maybe I can express it. I can express it.
Right.
But the fact that me express it doesn't mean say it's a fantasy. It doesn't mean say I don't Ghana for the fact.
Okay, court of law. I intend to do and not cry to be the jail.
Yes, so who intention, yeah. But at the same time, intention be also a fantasy. And we have found for that. Maybe say ubusame pa Ghana independence pa come impe. Ubusame pa the real position on Ghana's independence come impe.
Maybe who could take a different philosophy.
Definitely.
Yes, but this particular issue, people don't understand your stance. Your stance is not clear. But the time we need to own.
Because very clear.
Obama some okay? Why is Obama the okay?
David, almost journalism.
Okay.
Almost coming far. Let me stand in here say.
Yeah, what 30 seconds.
Okay, Papa no. Okay. Now, what you may chief for Ghana unless it's recognized by Ghana's law as it stands. So, any juma. What you may express say, oh, yeah, one, it doesn't change anything for Ghana. So,
Dabi, I know cry. Yeah, was the next 20 years you cast a predator. You basically one we are want to mean can was 70. Open me that's why.
Oh, make my predict.
No. Want to me predict. That's
the next 40 years. Thank you, really.
Hey, hello.
Yeah, unya.
Yes, sir.
Adio, my. Dabio. Na ahindie no. Wan hu obi a odi hia oni asase a odi hine. Ana ahindie ye do.
I don't know. Em so munyanti ase say obi prepare no ho a. People don't understand say. I mean, unia odi kan wasem na me wan ma break kura de kan wasem.
Ah, Dabio. Ya abroche ye we. Ye wo akwantufo hine ni we. What to say? Asante and before he be United States and United Kingdom say or body or no kingdom.
Impossible.
Or building the kingdom.
Never.
America.
Never. Ghana for Kotana, Gambia, 1959. They have never claimed to build a kingdom or any family, anything there. But Omote Gambia, Ghana town in Gambia.
Yes, but Uba America, they know say your culture and sanity. It is the BBC crowd. They can go to the person who say this. Even Okuba Mexico for you, I'm group for me, but they will never say they want to build their kingdom and the second kingdom.
Yes, I mean, the entire money. Yes, I didn't. So Obama money.
Sanya traho that don't mean a fail, that don't mean a fail, that don't mean a fail. I know you kumienu. I know you kumienu. Or Kabibi. Mammy can be Elon Musk or ya a Uniana American.
South Africa.
Okay, as soon say or buy or more now be a business or influence on American election.
That's right.
That's right. Who's a national or betting a political party or because or no on to mean your president to America, but or be influence to cause a change.
That's right. That's what we call lobby in parliament. In law, your friend lobby. They can lobby the parliament.
Lobby. I don't know. I didn't click his idea.
Interesting.
Elon Musk and then anything Elon Musk 40 billion or so. Ekoto a Twitter and XENE. And it had impact. Go and check the analysis. It had impact on election the last year. It had impact. And also a political party. Do you know the change? Even 1% change can sway an election in America. Now Obia Betina Chromo to say Ghana himself very paramount. Himself himself is by land. One the better voter region so ASANTE also got in the kingdom of voter region. Officer voter region for better
strike easy cry. Strike.
And also Obia Northern region. Go and see how they are fighting. Go and see why they are fighting.
In fact, we are saying Ghana African we are saying baby as a person claim territorial power. Asase. Anytime mine was here with getting the land. Anytime mine getting land. And they first point of contact land. Unia asase we need to
me. Reason enye B00t na man no make that statement say what asase na say ye ni ayifo ayi voter region ye ni ASANTE for okwa ASANTE memu a ye ni ayifante for hene wo ye ni wefi hene wo ye ni mrante hene wo what also obi akasa even the Nigerians even Lebanese foi omo no so Ghana omo no so Ghana wo de ma Lebanese ni bi sore nkasa bia or till Lebanese kingdom Ghana say say any issue. But they are there. All this while, since Nigerians they have been with us. We know them. But go even how we treat the Nigerians in Ghana. Go and see how they treat Ghanaians in Nigeria. Go and see.
Different.
Officer Ghana ni bi betimi ASANTE na Igbeni na Nkrani bi ebe sorry akọ Nigeria say okotini kingdom ewo Igbo land. That's something I'm making. No big now say, oh, by law, by this. They can cause influence. They can cause young transit 20 years to come. They can cause influence. Sanya Trana, Scottish ni, Eba Ghana, any Ghana ni bewo ye, and your friend Jerry John Rollins, or be ye coup twice, or be your money bosso for 8 good years uninterrupted under military rule. And that's man na asma ba na kan Obama and the last me from because Esika they bought them all. They bought all the media houses. They bought them. It was my dean. Next to Ekoya Santini no bank crime. And Obeta Sasia. Obeka Chene say Onkwa Santimel. Omaka Oman Penikufu. Say Onkwa Santimel Uncle Sini office. Obi a word your man way Sudan. Be a big issue in Ghana. Ala Tani the Yenyano. And some now carry the power. Say on in the next 20 years. But all in the next 20 years. Man, on the next 20 years. On Mame call a year first say a blue comedy. Yeah,
TTM.
Ya civil will be see Ghana.
Empire.
Ya
Empire.
Empire no ya with action I met there. Liberia nenya sana omopom hu minua. Liberia nenya sana omopom hu.
No crepa.
Nenya sana omopom hu no mo do mo hu. Se enokra da ho ayenka aya se nipa kutupa asofo any journalist of wo Ghana e sia manfo kutupa e di bone won se na de o ma ye din obi ankasa enye journalist for ya bo mo fra ya ka Ghana journalist o ma ye din we make o chena they will defend it. They will make reference to they see what Kaswa, they see what why are we doing this to ourselves? Power no we near we. You have about 188 members of parliament. Now, every 88, 100 komunu. So what is it? What do you need again? Ama yetime bo ba na e ma mo journalist mo tena honom ye bo e ma sei. Hey, unya menya djuma why?
I had the reason so patch more like video ni so why like video no my wife first tell us someone like video no open ya kwaba
yo this is
yes sir
yo minia on say the be american say ka say obi eye oman bi munia de na mu bi oman bi ni asase
sanity
it is a what na ho mo ho beto asase na kudi a ho nsemu a mutimi kan chim say kuro ni ye wo dia because wasase e na chim kuro ni wo dia ti ho timi to asase na kuro ni ye wo dia bi mu na nsam na ye kan no a Obama say the next 50 years obi ye ho ahwande wantima melody boy na de odi se premier ni ba ye no na ne baba ko ne kan ho wajan 50 years ne baba ko kan ho no wantimi an control no usuro no because we premier sa premier 50 years o one wa kwa no a nkwana dan 50 na beto ko manim
omo ye fani o intellectual dishonesty pe
ena beto ko nanim Ghana for mo badwuna mo nwene na akwa ne kasa no say from there Igbo was fun oswanya kotogwa so oswanya ko
ye hwini Ghana for hwini mu ana obewura ti say koto obewura ye hwini
anase oswanya ko Burkina Faso
dabi na konko dada
nipa ni fi Nigeria ba no ofri Benin na watra Togo na oduru Ghana it is obekọ Togo dia adana ka wanka ho adana ka wanka Togo ho
ene enu bi kan jato onya fe na Ghana ne adidi ada omu ya say jato emia wo mene
chese Ghana ni nya aduani di no nya sika kakra bi na wo de mano na wonya bonnum soloku nya bia na se boye hoho China for ahia saba Ghana obapani kufo ableso na wadi buidam ma wo mu antino mba ho no mo he da sua asole nyum eto na China for na Ghana for ye China for eto asole nyum ye China for dem si ye wurade yakopon ye kufo mu kese China nya to asole nyum ti ye de japade nya kwa China
no mo wira fi no mo kire mo ka bibia kire wo mo no mo
ene akoko anom sabro ye fisa akroma na wiem Ghana ni didi mi
Ghana ni
na wonya se ye twiso ku ayase a asa onyini hi biem
ye kuro we kai
pe nipa no wo se wato asase wakyirem ade we enye obi se enye audio enye video eti obi eti magicide bi we o se asase na wato no o si Igbo ni o wiase bia wo right right you ujina me man mu say Igbo ni be all right so o timba Ghana
ba no twa asase ama wo say twa asase kra
asem wey wotu afa de tra kiti
Nathaniel Asante I was say omo no tete media so omo claim so as omo ye intellectual ntina me dey say animunyam ne man say intellectual dishonesty maybe it might be intellectual person but I mean where dishonest senya sa dey afache me why open the gaza
yo Ghana ni wa fa se mo tira a wono se Igbo ni bia all right so timba Ghana e be to asase fi ono ho no wo si wono ankasa ne dan a esiju no na o mesi si dey to aso 10 ati chiri kura wono de Igbo mpanyifo no ono an papa dia beto so na Igwan gate awura ho a che se Igbo ne se Igbo ne betwura ho dia police ni e wo ho ne sojafo sa wono be kreti we ho so se o be chiri man edu obetiri police obetiri soldier obetiri immigration obetiri awura de Ghana fo yi wode se Ghana ye Ghana bi se ko ye na be ka chiri wo Ghana ye da wode se enyi biabo because
yenti ase na we but I mean kakra
enti ase enti am se Ghana ye ro yenti ye se obi se obeye yi a na eye ne dwumadi a wa sha se wo di na ye kira wo ti ase enti Ghana be ye e kira na de kyen a ye foundation no ene say who sit down abose to aso tere wo de iron rod 1/8 na wo de aye pillar edi fro so na me gina ho ka che o say wo dan ye bebu ase me ye doom prophet na wan kasa dan na gusie no wo ni say e dan no ade be che so dia be na Ghana aye che se Ghana wo da che dia be ya dia family dia ene sa ahoho Nigeria fo e fa ye man nipa kama no mo ka say sa video no ka say Nigeria for 4 million emu 2 million ye ayi Igbo fo no enye nra no kan yu
David o ka we 2021 kra no kan sa asem we
2022 be sin no Igbo fo no do every say
asa multiply another 4 years have gone asa multiply
enti ye won records o dey
obia omomfa ho na nye ye kra ye te ne ye koka de kan nyino mbabu ye obia mfa ho
awurade ye fofo
obia o fa ho
Ghana Ghana emobo Ghana emobo Ghana emobo se o mai no uhuru bi ekro emu nipa se very fofo about we o dey me me position yi why pe dia me kan ye no NDC ni MPP entimi mo Ghana enti mesre ehia neutral oni NDC oni MPP enwane Ibrahim Traore Sulipa so the former take over now you political parties na for 10 years asanya form fufuro o dey me da say
ayi Pacho Nathaniel ayi number na da say ono betuma frɛ why number na screen as Mr. Ntiamo mo person mo frɛ number na screen as why is another as betumi afa na wa frɛ ayi hello yes sir
Reason
yes sir
Sadek wodi MPC
so what did you say?
Oka 50 years as Binia
Ghana.
How's that a kingdom now? What can I say him? Kasano and Ghana. Near kind of radio so. Up to now, me GBC one say Umkas after me 63 years old. Na a friend say Kwame Mamu as a one ye woman kind a country we are yaka da gumba them say a bat was not and crime na zema ansana how's that last could house for free e wakana kasana ka ho abapimne na kwanu na yire kura wo se na nim gu ase o frɛ wo so wankase obi a wo so wo ye Ghana ni o nkase bia wo beti school am ya kan Ghana kasa ya yesu Ghana culture de mu de krum culture na bai na krum ha wo yi minua ye nyina kuta passport o e kuta krum passport but kai mu se betumi akoto apartment a bia about 6 apartment to so na se bibisa ye se Ghana fo nko an e betumi mo fo bo presa
dabi